Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to revolutionize the way you clean your hard floors. We found the BISSELL Spinwave SmartSteam all-in-one scrubbing and sanitizing electric hard floor steam mop, and we've added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the BISSELL Spinwave SmartSteam? This innovative steam mop combines powerful scrubbing capabilities with sanitizing features, making it a versatile tool for maintaining clean and healthy floors in your home. With its dual rotating pads, LED headlights, and user-friendly controls, this mop is designed to tackle tough messes while remaining easy to use. Let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. First and foremost, the Spinwave boasts superior sanitization. It claims to kill 99.9% of germs, bacteria, and viruses using just steam, no chemicals involved. This makes it a safe option for families, especially those with kids or pets. The ability to clean and sanitize without harsh chemicals is a game changer for many households. Next up is the fast and powerful scrubbing capability. The dual rotating pads spin at an impressive 230 revolutions per minute, which is 50 revolutions per minute faster than many leading steam mops. This means it can effortlessly tackle stubborn messes, whether it's dried-on food in the kitchen or muddy footprints in the entryway, delivering superior cleaning results compared to traditional steam mops. One of the best features is the customizable cleaning it offers. With fingertip controls, you can easily switch between two steam levels or opt for a no-steam setting for delicate sealed floors. This versatility means you can cater your cleaning approach to a variety of surfaces and levels of dirtiness. The intuitive LED display is another thoughtful touch. It allows you to see your cleaning modes and steam readiness at a glance, making it simple to select the right steam level for each floor type you encounter. This feature is particularly handy if you have a mix of flooring throughout your home, such as hardwood, tile, or laminate. Speaking of practical use, the Spinwave is designed for longer cleaning sessions with fewer interruptions. Its larger water tank reduces the need for frequent refills, and the 23% bigger microfiber pads cover more surface area, making it ideal for larger rooms or whole home cleaning. This feature is especially beneficial for those of you with expansive living spaces or multiple rooms to tackle in one go. What about noise? The Spinwave is up to 60% quieter than some leading spinning steam mops, which means you can clean your floors without the distracting noise that often accompanies traditional cleaning methods. This is a great advantage for anyone who prefers a quiet home environment or has sleeping children nearby. When it comes to ease of use, the Spinwave's balanced weight and smooth movement make it glide effortlessly across your floors, reducing cleaning fatigue. Whether you're tackling a quick spill or doing a thorough clean, the ergonomic design helps you maneuver it with minimal effort. So, who is this product suitable for? The BISSELL Spinwave SmartSteam is perfect for families, pet owners, and anyone who values a clean living space without the hassle of traditional mopping methods. If you're looking for an effective and convenient way to sanitize your floors while minimizing your exposure to chemicals, this steam mop is worth considering. In summary, the BISSELL Spinwave SmartSteam all-in-one scrubbing and sanitizing electric hard floor steam mop offers an impressive combination of powerful cleaning, sanitizing capabilities, and user-friendly features. It's designed for a variety of floor types and cleaning needs, making it an excellent addition to any household. Thanks for watching. If this video helped,